Hey Lily, you look tired. Everything okay?
Hey, Alex. Yeah, just really busy. I haven't even had time to eat today.
That sounds rough. Skipping meals isn't good for you though.
I know, but with all the meetings and deadlines, I just couldn't find a moment.
I get it. Have you thought about prepping some easy to grab snacks? Things like nuts, fruits, or yogurt can be really quick and still healthy.
That's a good idea. I usually just grab coffee, but that's not really enough.
Definitely not. Plus, eating regularly can help keep your energy levels up and improve your focus.
Yeah, I did feel a bit sluggish this afternoon. Maybe that's why.
Exactly. Your brain needs fuel to work efficiently. Even taking a few minutes for a small meal can make a big difference.
I'll try to pack some snacks tonight. Thanks for the tip, Alex.
No problem. Taking care of yourself is important, especially when you are busy.